Hey everybody, nature walks with Dawn out here, feeding our fish. Um, they're still real tiny. Here's one at the top. I'm trying to feed it. Looks like all of them here, they're all gathered in this corner. So I went over here. There's two over here, but I can't really catch them. They gotta get a lot bigger for my phone to pick them all up. Let's see if we can go over to the other side. There's a pretty little flower though. I don't see any frogs out today, but here they are, all together. I give them some crackers to nibble on, and they'll eat the algae that's in here. There's some other fish in here too. They like to stay together like that, though. Not the best focus. I think the other one's still over the other side. They're still just nibbling away, but they're doing good. I don't see anybody who looks hurt or anything, and everybody's still together. Hope you all enjoy. God bless. And Jesus loves you all.